back to another video. We're currently on our way up to Ikea to go and get some bits for our van. We're going to get a kitchen cabinet, we're going to get a kitchen worktop, we're going to get some units for the van. We're taking it out on its first trip, so hopefully it drives nice and smooth. And we'll see you when we're up there. Right, we've just pulled up to Ikea. It took us about an hour and a half to get here. All we got to do now is find a car parking spot and let's go and spend some money. Right guys, we've done our shopping at Ikea. Sorry I didn't film all of it because it was too busy, but we got the worktop. Comes in 3 parts. And we've got all of our accessories with it. So that's all them 3. Let's get back home and put it all together. Right, we just got back from Ikea. We got 3 boxes. We got the kitchen and we got the worktop for the kitchen. We're going to get all the sink and tap all separate, but let's start off by opening up all the boxes. They're all labelled. We've got 1, 2 and 3. We'll do it all in stages. Right, let's open up the first box. One. That's 2. And I think that's the worktop. And that's the worktop. Right, in box 1 we had the 2 cabinet doors, we had the worktop and we had the backboard for the drawers. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open up box 2, see what's in box 2, and then piece them all together. I'm guessing that's the side pieces. And that's all the accessories for the drawers. I'm just going to put that to one side and then open up the 3rd box and see what we've got in the 3rd box. Right, we're now going to open up box number 3 and see what's in box number 3. Got a pack of hinges, brackets, screws and plugs. And these must be all the pieces. So I'm going to figure it all out and start putting it all together. Right, as we've unboxed all the 3 boxes, as there's quite a lot of pieces and there is a 40-page manual, what we're going to do is time-lapse it all, put it all together, then what we're going to do is come back once it's all done and I'll show you the finished product. done, we're currently just putting the backboard on, we've put the plinth on the bottom, we've screwed all the cabinet together, we're just putting the backboard on now. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're just going to lift it up and put all the drawer runners on. When they say buy stuff from Ikea, I wouldn't. Right, now what we're going to do, as we put the 2 drawer sliders on, what we're going to do now is put the worktop on, screw that all in, and then crack on with the doors. Alright, just to show you, you get 2 different brackets. You get one for the cabinet and you get one for the door. You just slide them on like that, and then it opens and closes. Now, that's one door on. Lovely. That's the second one. Then all we've got to do is put the drawer on, put the shelves in the middle, then we're done. Right, now as we finally finished building the cabinet, you've got 2 cupboards, 1 drawer, 2 shelves, you've got your worktop, a nice oak effect. What we're going to do is we're going to put a nice frame up against this wall so we can drill it to that so it doesn't go anywhere, nice in place. But we'll do that in another video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.